Got a southbound coming on the CSX Columbus. It's either M645 or L457. We'll see. Guys, L457 this will be L457. Alright guys, that was CSX L457. They came from Walbridge, Ohio, and it's going to Columbus, Ohio. And guys, over there, they have it blocked off because they're painting the station. Not sure how long will that be for. Could take up to weeks, a couple weeks, or a couple months. Who knows? That was CSX L457. It came from Walbridge, Ohio, and it's going to Columbus, Ohio. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.